Don't worry, not broken. Look. There's a buckle in here. That's it. Hold it down and lift it up. This way you can take out the old air conditioning filter. My gosh, so dirty. No wonder your air conditioner stinks. You only need to spend $1 to buy a new one and replace it to solve the problem. No need to spend $3,000 to disinfect your car. Waste of money. In fact, many parts failures in our cars can be solved by ourselves without going to a repair shop. Let me tell you, if your car lacks power and consumes too much fuel, come and see. Let's turn on this switch. And this switch. Open this box. Take out the air filter element inside. Buy a new air filter from an auto parts store and replace it. Cover the box. Turn off all switches. The problem has been solved. For example, the lens of your rearview mirror is broken. If you go to a repair shop, they'll let you replace the entire rearview mirror. Spend at least $3,000. Actually, not necessary. Look, let's put the car key at the base of the lens and pry it up. This broken lens can be removed. Then buy new lenses from an auto parts store. Align it with the base and press it in. When you hear a clicking sound, the rear view mirror is repaired. If the wiper blade is old and cannot clean the glass, no need to replace original wiper blades. Look, let's raise the wiper arm. Press and hold this little black dot and pull it up. You can remove this old wiper blade. Then buy a new wiper blade for $1. Insert it from top to bottom like this. The new wiper is now installed. The glass will be scraped clean. Finally, when we open the trunk, did we see it? The trunk lid won't pop up at all. Actually, it's just that the spring inside is loose. When the car leaves the factory, the springs are all hooked on the first small hole. Let's adjust it to the third small hole now. Okay, let's try it now. Hey, take a good look. Did you see it? The trunk lid popped up quickly. It's really simple, right? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.